Hey, it's Kevin Bond. We are at the Skyview Homes subdivision here. So, you've got this one that's already built. And then that one's mostly there. They're starting, they've done the foundation, so they're starting everything else for that one. A few more down this road, and there's the Pink Realty building right off of Farmingdale. This is 5340 here. Alright, so this is 5396 and 5397. They're going to be right next to each other. And then they're building this one. Hello.
So this is the Rosewood model, which is the larger, 1848 for square foot. Master and then 2 bedrooms and a secondary bath.
Okay.
That's your kitchen layout. Sinks under the window, so your island is all island.
Okay.
Hardwood floors extended throughout. 42-inch cabinets, under cabinet lighting, crown molding. There's 36 recessed lights in this unit. Fans in the living room and all bedrooms standard.
Okay.
Pre-wired for light if you ever wanted to add the light kit. 6-inch baseboards, granite or quartz are standard.
Okay.
Actually, granite is at our base price. Quartz, because of some delays recently with shipping, has been upgraded. So it's like a $2,000 upgrade if you want to go with quartz.
Oh, okay.
But we have about 5 or 6 granites that are base price
Okay.
to choose from.
I like the reach-in pantry.
Yes.
And then this opens up to the back patio area. Okay.
And these, I think, are 8 by 12 decks, and then all those maintenance. Front and back landscaping is included.
Okay.
So we won't have any more with the basement, so it might not be useful.
Prudent to, okay, yeah, we won't worry about the basement part.
It is possible if she wanted one of these last 4 that we could add the basement. That goes up 50, 60,000.
Yeah.
So, okay. But otherwise,
Well, yeah,
going up, half bath. We do have quartz or granite, whatever your choice is, in all areas. So even the laundry room gets quartz or granite at base price.
Okay.
Undermount sinks. This is our laundry room. It does have the floor drain.
Okay.
Washer dryer go there. Cabinetry. In this larger model, you have the 5 stack, and that would get quartz.
Okay.
One of the secondary bedrooms does have a small walk-in closet. The buyers on this one added the second door, so that's not normally there
Okay.
to go into the bathroom. They just wanted to make it more of a secondary master
Oh.
for
Okay.
guests and such, but typically your door is right here. So 12 by 24 tile is standard. You do get dual sinks standard, and they are undermount, quartz or granite. It is 12 by 12s that are standard here, but we have a large selection. And when I spec'd some out with 12 by 24 on the walls, It's made like $200-$300 difference. So,
Okay,
yeah,
great.
Easy to upgrade. You easily kind of took that on up for a couple $100. Because everything you're seeing here is base, except that it's $1,750 to increase up to the white cabinets as of today.
All right.
Here's your other secondary bedroom. It does have a standard closet on this one. You get the leather handles, and then you get the ceiling fan and can lights. All of that is standard. Extra windows. A lot of extra windows to this compared to other new builds at this price.
Yeah.
And the prices that you see on the MLS even include AC.
Okay.
Linen closet. Sorry. But you can go in there and pour a shower pan. They will have custom seamless or frameless glass.
That's fine.
So no plastic for shower pans.
Okay.
Cut for the space glass. And then walk-in closet, all that hanging space is standard as well. 5 pieces standard. Undermount sinks, dual sinks are standard. They did add that little niche.
Okay, yeah. I had another builder tell me that they weren't willing to do that because it was like some kind of a some issue. I'm not. Yeah. Just
this guy has been fabulous. Almost everything they ask for, he's like, "Let me see," and he'll come back with the price, and they decide if they want it or not. So it was like
great.
$250 to add that extra door to go into that other room.
Okay.
So, yeah, so it's not ridiculous like move a wall over here. But if it's little details like this, we have a lot of options.
They had a lot of doors, yeah.
Yeah, they do have a lot of doors.
Yeah. They'll be like, this wall is a lot of time cut off, and then they'll do it in the other master too, where they'll just add a door into that closet. And
Yeah.
I've seen them even make that into an office space before and just like use that as a second master.
Yep.
Okay.
So it's like a super versatile floor plan and everything.
Yeah.
Not trying to steal your thunder.
Right, that's why I think you're seeing it too. It actually makes probably a little impact coming from not the salesperson. But I've loved working with it. The warranty is great. They come back in and they get a 30-day and a 12-month builder's warranty, 2 years on the systems, 10 years on the structure. So, and we do our blue tape, we do the orientation lock, which those are normal, but a lot of options for them. They can add outlets. You'll see in the one next door, he added quite a few. These guys added quite a few. Just depending on what they, where they were placing things. So.
Well, yeah, I appreciate the extra outlets.
They added a USB one on the kitchen island ends.
Okay.
So a lot of options.
That seems to be popular to have a USB specific outlet on the island.
Yep.
It's good. That's where you're gonna put your phone and plug it in while you're working.
So they added one on that side. Do you have one automatically on the
Okay,
island?
yeah, I see.
And they added one underneath, and then they added this one.
And then, okay. Well, it looks great. I love it.
I love them too. I think they're beautiful from the outside. I think they're beautiful on the inside. Two-car, but they have the really tall ceilings, so you do the extra hanging space. So this one is the two-master.
Okay, yeah.
Yeah, so it's just under 1,600 square foot. Still has a nice open layout down here. Totally different color scheme, so kind of give you an idea of some of our other options.
Oh, yeah.
This is, so all of our wood is at base level. I think there's probably 10 to 12 colors to choose from. This is one of the base color cabinets. So in this one, it's the same island, and the island will have kind of a U shape like this. You could put 4 bar stools at pretty easily.
Yeah.
This one does have the sink in the island though.
Okay.
Gas range, but it's also wired for electric. It comes with a 5-burner gas range with in the middle griddle.
Yeah, yeah.
And so it has gas and electric.
Oh, all
So
right.
if you wanted to change it out later, does not come with a refrigerator.
Okay.
But
Hello.
Hi.
again,
How you doing
nice
today?
open
Good, how are you?
floor plan. You still have this full deck.
Yeah.
Entry over here.
Yeah, is this gonna get developed into a lot back here?
Yeah,
So that's just okay. So that'll just be open space.
Yep. And so part of the drainage plan here that was all engineered in was to plan for 100-year flood from the top of that.
Ah,
So
okay.
When they were putting in the drainage, like the tubes that the culverts, I guess you would call them maybe.
Yeah.
That the storm drainage is, they're like, I could walk through them. They were just these big, massive, like it's really, a lot of these have double French drains around them, so he did soils reports on every lot, not just every so often, like a lot of builders, so every single lot has their soils report.
Wow. Okay.
Yeah. And this is kind of cool because I've been here a couple of times and there have been 3 or 4 deer that just walk right along that ridge right there. And then they go
Oh
up
yeah,
that.
that's a great spot for that. Oh, front door there.
Yeah, and then you've got the 2-story entry right there, which is really nice on this model.
Oh yeah. You get to check and see who's at your front door up there.
Yes. So you have this little bit of a loft area up here. Nice big open area with a lot of light. I did have a little small desk and desk chair parked right in here.
Yeah,
So you
that
could
seems.
do like a little reading nook, or it was,
A little beanbag chair,
Yeah.
maybe. Yeah.
but it is enough for a bookshelf or a little small desk. Now the masters are pretty much the same on both models, and they are set up that you can easily put a king size bed in.
Yeah. I'd say so.
And then if you go on the MLS too, 5333 and 5341, I could text those to you. They're both closed, but they both have the Matterport tour on them as well.
Okay.
I'm not sure if the Matterport's on the ones
I'm not
that are
sure.
upright,
You
like on
can
5340.
send me all of it.
Okay, perfect. Because it is kind of nice to be able to steer around on the ones that were staged.
Yes, I love the 3D. So our team does a 3D Matterport for all of our listings. You gotta have it,
It
because
adds a lot. It does.
especially for people out of state. Yeah.
Yep. So this again, this is all base. So one of the things that the builder did to protect this development, since it's kind of a smaller development, is that nobody gets linoleum and formica and drop-in sinks, and it's everything is this level on up.
Okay. And then closet back, same size as the other
Same
one.
as
So
the other, yeah.
yeah, nice big size.
And 5340 and 5309 are both spec'd out already, but if she were to go to one of the others, like wherever, anything that hasn't been ordered, I would certainly let them come in and go to Design Center and pick out their own tiles.
Yeah, yeah, okay. I know there's a cutoff point usually.
There is. So right now, to keep everybody on track, when we hit foundation, we order cabinets and the hardware.
Okay.
Because cabinets are like 12 weeks out, so
Oh, yeah.
we have to order those as we dig the hole. Crazy.
So get everything picked out early.
So now in this one, you still have your washer dryer, and then you still have that small cabinet here that'll have supports are granted on it.
Yeah.
This does not get open shelves. This gets what I would call a pantry.
Okay.
So it gets the cabinets, but a floor to ceiling stack of the cabinets.
Yeah. Okay.
And then this is the secondary master. This is the only bathroom that does get one sink.
Okay.
And then it has the walk-in closet and then the toilet and tub area.
All right.
And then you actually have a good day for this too. From like 5309 and you can see.
Oh wow, yeah.
But you can see the peak, you can see Cheyenne, and then if you look, I don't know if it'll show up in the video or not, but that's the Spanish peaks. Those two on the end, kind of in the way down.
Oh.
That goes clear down to the Spanish peaks.
Wow.
Yeah.
That is a nice view.
Plus, you should have beautiful city views too at night. I just haven't been here at dark.
So the basements are all spoken for.
They are. I'm not saying that he wouldn't do one on lots
It's-
11, 12.
It's just going to be a bit more.
And we're going to be out there a ways. And I would say that might be August delivery
Yeah.
for one of those.
Okay.
Yeah, and it does take the price up. The last time we priced it for the 3-bedroom model, it was probably going to be up there at $525.
Okay. Well, I think that's good for me. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Did you text